Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I will review one financial modeling course. Okay, so this course name is Certificate in Financial Modeling and Valuation Online live course. So this course is basically offered by Grant Thornton. Okay, so if we deep dive into the website, so they have basically mentioned about like you get the certificate in the financial modeling and valuation online live course. So this program will focus on clearing MS Excel doubts and refreshing Excel formulas, designing financial model, designing revenue and expense model for various industries like consumer goods, modern real estate and auto components and creating basic macros. So you'll also be able to creating dashboard to present models in a summarized manner. Then program deliverables will be like 70 hours of study, which will be divided into 40 hours of instructor-led sessions through Cisco WebEx and 30 hours of recorded VBA and additional case study. So this is going to be a 70 hours of total program. So then final assessment, so access to the Grant Thornton LMS of 1 year, certificate of completion on successfully passing the final assessment. Okay. So now coming to like what they are covering on the curriculum part. So you are going to learn from Excel, basic business model, financial statement, valuation, financial modeling, valuation, project valuation, introduction, project valuation, creating a model for NPV and IRR, modeling delays, project valuation, circular logic and enveloping, project valuation, creating EPC schedule, CapEx schedule, then P&L, asset schedule, valuation Gantt chart, interactive Excel dashboard, introduction, evaluation. So all of these things are basically included in the curriculum. Okay, so if we talk about the fee, so the fee for this course will be 30,000 plus taxes. Okay. So they also have the refund policy. A refund of 50% of the fee would be provided for cancellation requests received up to 5 working days before training starting date. So this is it. So if we look at the placement support in case they are providing, so they have not mentioned on the website. So if we check for the internship support, if they are offering, so they have not mentioning on their website. Okay, so now I'm going to rate this particular course basis some of these parameters. So you can just see the parameters are listed on the left of the table. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a good course. So this is not going to be that much comprehensive, but yeah, so that this is a good course. Excel skills that you're going to learn in this. So live session will be there, but so these are going to be limited sessions as 40 hours of instructor-led session. Along with that, you'll be getting 30 hours of video recordings. Okay. So live out sessions, so they have not mentioned. Internship support is not there in this program. So placement support, they have not mentioned. So course fee is good. Course duration will be a little bit shorter. For that reason, I'm just rating it as 0. So money back guarantee refund policy is there in case you applying for the cancellation before starting of this program. So then LMS access will be provided to you for 1 year. So basis these parameters, so this course has scored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 out of 10. Okay. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling and investment banking, I can suggest a better financial modeling course which covers all the aspects that you are expecting from any financial modeling course. So that also comes with a complete package. Okay. So I can provide the details related to that course in the description section. So in case you need any further assistance from my end, so please ping me in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.